guys, my name's Chloe.
Hi guys, my name's Harry.
And this is our dad.
Um,
And today, we're gonna eat ice cream.
it has a lot of flavors.
It has,
Which flavors do you want?
I want vanilla and mango.
I'll
I'll show you guys now.
Yes.
Look,
But the purple one, I don't know.
purple one. What's the purple one's name? Okay, we don't know, but live here.
Yubi.
So live.
Yubi. The purple
Oh,
one.
yes,
is
it's Yubi. Now let down the comment below. Do you eat this ice cream before?
Yes, it has 3 flavors.
Yeah.
1, mango.
Second, vanilla.
vanilla.
And the third one.
Is Yomi.
Yubi.
Yubi. Okay, so now we're gonna eat it now. Okay, let's see now.
So,
Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough.
so because the purple one is disgusting, so we will not eat, okay?
yeah, we do not want to
Okay,
eat Yomi.
let's eat.
Okay. We have small little spoons. Let's clean it. Now we're gonna eat it. Let's get a taste test first. Here's the mango flavor. I'll taste the mango flavor first.
The mango flavors has a little of,
It's delicious.
it's delicious, but more sugar.
But let's eat this one. Vanilla.
Yes.
How about you, Harry?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Let's do like that. Okay, so Dad didn't want to show you he eat ice cream.
Yes.
Delicious.
What is their popular favorite in my ice cream?
I want
Vanilla.
to ask you guys a question. What is your favorite ice cream?
And
Leave you in the comment down below.
yes. Tell us, what's your favorite ice cream? There's a lot of flavors: strawberry, vanilla.
Chocolate.
Yes, there's a lot of flavors. Haagen-Dazs. There's a lot of flavors.
Haagen-Dazs is a kind.
Okay, so we switch places.
Because I like this place more.
But I don't like this places. This place is not shine, and this place is shine. Okay.
Hey, ice on this places. So I want to ask you guys another question. What is your favorite color?
Yes, I want to ask you a question.
Leave
What?
me in the comment down below.
No. I'm not asking this question. I'm asking you guys a question. I'm asking you guys a question. What is your favorite film?
Yeah? What?
What is your favorite film?
What is yours? Just help it for. It's Maleficent.
But I like Gaston.
No. Remember opening the gifts? You said you like Maleficent.
Yeah.
So look at that now.
You want to show eat ice cream? She's eating a lot of bowl.
Yeah. And we're gonna eat one too.
So we eat it all day, but we taste a purple one. But so it's not good. So we gonna not taste it. Chloe, can you sit there? There's only one chair.
Yummy. I will ask you guys another question.
No.
Okay, yes.
Let me think. What is your favorite animal?
No. My favorite animal is elephant. How about you, Harry?
My favorite animal is horse.
I love horse too, but No, I like tiger.
Rawr.
No, it's not scary. It's cute.
Remember we feed on the sheep?
Yeah. He said, ice cream, he said.
There's a lot of ice cream. There's a baby. Yeah.
Yeah. So cold.
So cold, like popsicles. Just kidding.
So,
So
so I'm gonna ask you guys one more question. Do you know anything about snakes?
snakes.
Yeah.
Our home snakes or outside.
Well, scary snakes. Not like a long snakes. They're climbing on the wall. They eat some what they call?
I don't know what snakes eat because we are kids.
Snakes can
Eat.
a lot of stuff. Like flying. Like flies. Right? Do you know like long snake will eat?
Just
whale-
wait a second. Just wait a second. I have 3 animals I like.